Can you trade Forex on Pocket Option? Pocket Option is a trading platform that offers a variety of financial instruments, including binary options and Forex trading. While it provides access to the Forex market, it's crucial to understand the platform's features, advantages, disadvantages, and the associated risks before engaging in trading activities. One of the primary benefits of using Pocket Option for Forex trading is its user-friendly interface. The platform is designed to be intuitive, making it accessible for both novice and experienced traders. Additionally, Pocket Option offers a demo account feature, allowing users to practice and familiarize themselves with the platform without financial risk. Another advantage is the availability of various trading instruments. Traders can access over 100 different assets, including currency pairs, commodities, and stocks, providing a diverse range of trading opportunities. The platform also supports multiple languages, catering to a global audience. In terms of financial transactions, Pocket Option supports instant deposits and withdrawals, which is beneficial for traders who require quick access to their funds. The platform also offers various payment methods, including credit cards, e-wallets, and cryptocurrencies, providing flexibility for users worldwide. Despite these advantages, there are significant concerns regarding the safety and reliability of Pocket Option. The platform is not regulated by any top-tier financial authority, which raises questions about its credibility and the protection of traders' funds. Regulatory bodies such as the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK, or the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in the United States enforce strict standards to ensure fair trading practices and protect investors. The absence of such regulation means that traders have limited recourse in the event of disputes or issues with the platform. Furthermore, there have been reports and user reviews indicating that Pocket Option may engage in practices that are not transparent. Some users have reported difficulties in withdrawing funds, suggesting potential issues with the platform's financial operations. Additionally, the lack of clear information about the company's ownership and operational practices contributes to concerns about its legitimacy. While Pocket Option offers a range of features that may appeal to Forex traders, the lack of regulatory oversight and reports of operational issues present significant risks. Traders should exercise caution and thoroughly research any platform before committing funds. It is advisable to consider platforms that are regulated by reputable financial authorities to ensure a higher level of security and trustworthiness in trading activities.